Sanchez, and this is my final project of JavaScript language. This site uses an API from Rapid API, and it has some information about superheroes. So what this site does is that it takes information from the API, and we can compare the superpowers of heroes. So it shows the title, an image, some stats, and if exists, it shows a paragraph with the occupation or biography of that superhero. So it works in the following way. I used the JavaScript modules to organize the code, and we have the main.js and heroes.js. So in the main.js we have the query to the API, and in the hero.js we have one object that has 3 attributes and 4 methods. The first attribute is heroes, that takes all the information from the API to consume in this application. So it has the first and second attribute that takes some value from the select hero, and it is used in the following methods. So the first method is getCard. It takes an ID from the HTML, and it constructs an element to add to the DOM, to the DOM. So then we have the show function or method that shows all the options that we have. The API just sent us like 20 heroes, so it's a random selection, and we can choose any one of these heroes to compare. So also we have the button method that is listening to the actions in the DOM, and according to the first and second attribute, it will execute some actions. If the first attribute is empty, it will take the ID that we select in the DOM, and it will get the ID. So then we will assign that value to the first attribute, and we will store that information from the card in the card variable. Then we will append the card element to the first element that we have here. We have the query selector to get that spot to place our card, and if the first is not empty, so we will analyze the second attribute. If it's empty, we will do the same process but with the other element. So if we have those 2 attributes filled, so it will make empty all the information to the 2 attributes and the HTML elements. And the init method will show the heroes with these characteristics, and it will activate the button method. So that's the way my project works. Thank you.